Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the conditions for natural locking. Wash with a residue-free shampoo and skip conditioner so strands can cling. This increases friction and knotting. Once damp, towel blot, do not brush. Immediately stop combing or detangling. That's the core action. If you prefer slight control, divide into loose sections with clips, but keep sections large for classic freeform. You're forcing natural tangles to form, so let hair move. Rub occasionally with your fingers, and resist the urge to smooth it out. Once initial tangles appear, encourage them selectively. Use palm rolling to compress weak spots and gentle backcombing where knots won't naturally form, but avoid over-manipulating. Too much control prevents authentic freeform texture. Sleep on cotton or linen to increase friction and promote locking. Avoid silk. Every few weeks, inspect for uniformity and trim only protruding loose ends so natural locks can grow and thicken. Over the next 3 to 12 months, expect uneven development. That variation is normal and part of the freeform aesthetic. To finish and maintain, adopt a simple care routine. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks with residue-free shampoo and rinse well so buildup doesn't inhibit locking. Once done, let hair air dry fully or use a diffuser on low. Damp hair invites mildew. If 2 locks fuse into an unwanted giant mat, separate slowly by hand at the base. Do not yank. Make sure to adjust washing and separation frequency based on scalp health. If odor or stubborn dampness occurs, increase drying and spot clean problem areas immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.